Hello everybody. I had a question on my July Card Making and Papercraft magazine about the Friends Forever card. Sorry, the lighting's a bit funny today. So I'm going to do a quick base card tutorial. I'm not going to make the card up, I'm just going to show you how to get the 3 easels. So it says you need a piece of white card that's 140mm by 210mm to start with, so we'll do that. Just about 14cm or 5.5 for those who don't work in metric. Oops. And 210 . Right, so that's our base piece of card, and it says score across the width at 70mm. Which is 7cm or 2 3/4 inches. So there's your first step of the card. It then goes on and says, mark the top edge at 70 and 140mm from the top of the card. Score, then carefully cut down the centre score line to create 3 squares. So this here will be the top of your card, where the fold is. So across at 70, down here, and then across at 140, which is again 14cm. I don't know if you can see the score lines very well. You've got one here and one here, so you've got 3 even squares. And then it says you've got to cut down these lines here. Which you can do with scissors. I'm just going to do it as far up as I feel comfortable, and then I'll finish it off with scissors. So you've got your 3 squares. The next step, we're working from this side of the card. It says score the first square from the top left corner down to the centre score line. On the middle square, score across at 30mm. And this will come across here. On the right hand square, score from the top right corner down to the centre score line. Oh, sorry, it goes this way. So I shall do that for you as well. So for the first square is corner to corner, stopping at the centre score line. This will be a lot easier if you have a school board. And I'm going to do the bottom one as well because that's at the angle. And the middle one, they say 30 millimeters. So I'm going to fold this one in so we can get to the 3 centimeters and score like that. So this one comes down here. Oh, I've done this one wrong, haven't I? Sorry. Copied that side. It should be this way. So we've got 2 opposites. So this one goes down this way. Like this. Then says goes on in the instructions to say the size of the pieces you need to cut to cover these, and then you'll have your toppers. Say you stick only on the bottom half. You can lay it flat, but only stick where this bottom base fold is. That makes sense. So you can see on here, only stick this half of your toppers, and then you put something to prop it up on. So either layer your little tags with craft foam or foam, or you could use a little chipboard topper. So I hope that makes sense. Sorry, I've forgotten your name who asked it. I hope that's helpful for you. It makes a triple easel card, they're called. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.